The 2017 GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup truck that is the corporate twin to Chevrolet Silverado. It competes with the Ford F-150, Ram 1500 and Toyota Tundra. For 2017 it adds a few new features. It's available in regular cab, double cab and crew cab layouts. The Sierra offers 3 engines, a 285 horsepower, 4.3-liter V6, a 5.3-liter V8 that makes 355 horsepower and a 420 horsepower, 6.2-liter V8. The V6 mates to a 6-speed automatic transmission, while the 5.3-liter V8 is available with either a 6-speed automatic transmission or an 8-speed automatic. The 6.2-liter V8 is available with an 8-speed automatic transmission. The Sierra is available with either rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. Maximum towing capacity is 12,500 pounds. Bed sizes are 5.8, 6.6 or 8 feet, depending on trim and cab configuration. An available eAssist hybrid system is offered. EPA estimated fuel economy is 18 miles per gallon city/24 miles per gallon highway, 1722 with 4-wheel drive for the 4.3-liter V6, 1623 for the 5.3-liter V6 with the 6-speed automatic, 1622 with 4WD, 1622 with the 5.3-liter V8 and the 8-speed automatic transmission, 1520 with 4-wheel drive, and 1521 for the 6.2-liter V8, 1520 with 4-wheel drive. The Sierra is available in base, SLE, SLT and luxury Denali trims. Available features include 18-inch wheels, 20-inch wheels, off-road suspension, infotainment system, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation and 4G Wi-Fi hotspot. Available safety features include dual front, side impact and head curtain airbags, traction control, stability control, trailer sway control, hill start assist, rollover mitigation, rear view camera, forward collision alert, lane keep assist, front and rear park assist and low-speed forward automatic braking.